Kumari from class 4. Now today some GK questions. My first question goes to class nursery. What is the color of tomato? I repeat my question. What is the color of tomato? What is the right answer? My second question goes to class LKG. What is the color of leaf? White is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. When the children get celebrated? I repeat my question. When the children get celebrated? 15 November is the wrong answer. 13 November is the right answer. My first question goes to class 12. Which planet nearest to the Earth? I repeat my question. Which planet nearest to the Earth? This question answers to class 2. Mars is the wrong answer. Venus is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore is the right answer. My sixth question goes to class 3. Who was the first woman president of India? Sarojini Naidu is the wrong answer. I repeat my question. Who was the first woman president of India? Srimati Pratibha Patil is the right answer. So, which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Which is the right answer? My eighth question goes to class 5. What is the largest living structure on Earth? Great Barrier Reef is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 6. Who was the first defense minister of India? Sardar Dalbhai Singh is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. Who was the first female chief justice of India? I repeat my question. Who was the first female chief justice of India? Justice of India. Fatima Devi is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. The instrument used for measuring air pressure is called. I repeat my question. The instrument used for measuring air pressure is called. Barometer is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. The first local bill was introduced in the parliament in. I repeat my question. The first local bill was introduced in the parliament in. 1968 is the right answer. My 13th question goes to class 1 to 9. The largest river of Europe is. Volga is the right answer. That's all. Thank you.